In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack subscriber dashboard. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the subscribers area, adding people individually, and bringing in a list with a file upload, all while following best practices. To get started, open your Substack workspace and head to the subscribers section. This is your hub for audience management. Here, you'll typically see a list of your readers with details like their status, sign up date, and any notes you've added. It's also where you can search your list and keep an eye on growth over time. Think of it as your control center for who receives your posts and emails. When you're ready to grow your list, choose Add Subscribers. This opens the options for bringing people into your publication. Before you add anyone, a quick but important reminder: only add people who have clearly given you permission to be on your email list. Respecting consent keeps deliverability high and helps protect your account from spam complaints. If you're adding just a few people, use the field to enter subscriber email addresses. You can paste one or several at once, ideally one per line to keep things clean. Double check spelling and avoid generic role addresses that might bounce. If you keep notes about where the subscriber came from, like a live event or a personal request, this is a great moment to capture that in your own records, so you can segment or personalize later. When everything looks good, click Add Emails. Substack will process the addresses and place them into your subscriber list. Depending on your publication settings, new subscribers may receive a welcome email automatically, which is a helpful way to introduce your work and set expectations about how often you'll publish. If you have a larger list, you can also add subscribers by upload. Choose the upload option and select a CSV file from your computer. For best results, format your file with a simple header like email. And if you have them, optional columns such as first name and last name. Keep the file tidy, no duplicates, no extra tabs, and verify that every row contains a valid email address. After you upload, Substack reads the file and prepares the entries. Give everything a quick review to ensure the addresses and columns were recognized correctly, then complete the import. That's it. With the subscribers dashboard, adding people individually or by upload is straightforward and reliable, and staying mindful of permission ensures healthy engagement over time. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.